Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to remove Powered by Shopify text on your Shopify store. Then we give you the easy method to delete this on your store. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, open your Shopify dashboard. Then guys, scroll down to online store. Then hit online store. Sorry, I will give you an example on Powered by Shopify on your store. Just click on online store and there is an eye icon, then hit on eye icon. Then guys, this is Powered by Shopify text on your Shopify store. Then if you want to delete this, make sure to finish this video. Then guys, go back and hit on themes. Done guys. If you are using a paid theme or the free version, just go directly to customize. Next to customize there is three dots, then hit on three dots, then scroll down to edit default theme content. Then guys, wait a few seconds. Then guys, go directly to the search bar on the top, then tap powered. Then guys, scroll down and put a space for each, a blank. Then each search bar put a space. Make sure is nothing is stopping there. Then guys, go and click on save on the top. Then guys, automatically Powered by Shopify, it will move it and remove it and delete it on your account, and I will show you how it looks like. Then go and hit on eye icon, then scroll down. As you see guys, there is no Powered by Shopify on your account on your Shopify store. As you see guys, this is the easy method and the only method to remove Powered by Shopify on your Shopify store. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.